Hey everyone, greetings with a tech vibe. Your dust welcomes you to the world of future innovation, right here on Tech Unbox Pro. Today we dive into a stunning concept duo, the Huawei Mate 90 Pro and Huawei P90 Pro 5G. Remember, this is a concept creation for inspiration, not an official release. The first thing that shocks you is the design language. The Mate 90 Pro concept carries a bold, premium stance with refined edges, a next-level curved display vision, and a dramatic camera module layout that screams flagship. The P90 Pro 5G concept pushes it even further by imagining a futuristic lens alignment built for cinematic creators, backed by a powerful 5G-ready identity. Both concepts visualize ultra-fluid UI, immersive display panels, and revamped aesthetics aimed at a modern, global audience. The charging and camera details are imagined in high-tech harmony, picturing a future where speed meets style. The vibe is premium, smart, and forward-thinking, exactly what tech enthusiasts crave. If this future vision excites you, support the journey. Don't forget to like, share, and drop your thoughts. And to stay updated with more futuristic mobile concepts and tech inspiration, subscribe to Tech Unbox Pro now. The future is here. Rocket cell phone fire.